What is going on, everybody? Hello, welcome to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we're in downtown San Jose City, San Jose province. Guys, this is a video by request from a subscriber who comments on all the videos. Really appreciate him. Danny D. Rock Mahaffey 3087. Guys, he hasn't been here since 1995. And he wanted to see, what is the name of this place? Hotel Del Rey. Hotel Del Rey. So I thought, hey, let's do it. Now, right here, there's Club Colonial. That's open. Hotel Del Rey is closed permanently. It's unfortunately closed permanently, guys. It said so on Google Maps, and looks as much. Look at it though. It looks really cool. I wonder what kind of hotel this was. You know, it makes you reminisce. I wonder what happened in this hotel. Let's go look down the block here. Guys, if this is your first time joining, hit subscribe, hit like on YouTube, all the good stuff. Leave me a comment. As always, I appreciate your comments. I do try to get requests in as much as I can. I just so happen to be downtown when I got this comment. So I'm like, hey, I'll go do it. Go do a night walkie-talkie tour. Here's the side of Hotel Del Rey. Guys, I'm scoped in a bit. I'm zoomed in a bit. I'm trying to correct with the camera some of the shaking, the stuttering at night. It was kind of distracting. That's a cool street. So what's this? Calle Nueve? What's the other street we're on? I don't necessarily know. But before we begin this walk and talk tour, let's talk about how to get here. So to get to downtown San Jose, you'll probably be starting at the SJO airport, which is there in Alajuela, just south of the town of Alajuela. And you'll head east about 30 minutes. You'll see all these roads. There's various roads with varying amounts of traffic, but ultimately you'll end up downtown here. And we'll zoom in, Calle Nueve y Avenida Uno. And that will bring you right to this intersection here, guys. Right now, okay, let's talk about what time it is. It's just after 9 o'clock on a Saturday night. And we're gonna go walk kind of downtown this way, where all the businesses are. We'll see what it looks like. We'll see what's going on. You can see off in the distance there, the building, it's all lit up. Banco Nacional, that big building. Maybe that's their headquarters there. That's where all the bankers are. Grimacing. Where are we now? What's the name of these streets? Okay, so Calle Siete. I don't know the other one. And where are we going? Are we going this way? Yeah, we'll go this way. So it looks like it's a lot less busy. Maybe everything closed up at 9. We're going to look around though anyway. We'll scope it out. See what's going on. Kind of want to know what this place is right here. So what's all this place here? Oh, this is the Balmoral Hotel. Okay, that's good to know. There's theater, Teatro Marcia. I don't know. Not only can I not read, it's kind of like hard to read. It's double difficult. Oh, hey, look at the foyer of the Hotel Balmoral. Wow. That's just really nice. It's quaint. That's the first and last time I'm going to use that word. So now, on the last street where we were at the Hotel Del Rey, if you continue down that street, it was Chinatown. So like one street over is Chinatown from here. That way. This road here that we're about to approach is closed to vehicle traffic, and there's like tons of businesses. And look at that. Okay, so we'll go up here now. Unfortunately, guys, I came through here earlier looking for chicken. And then I sat around, you know, just fornicating pooch. And I was like, I'll go and do the video. I thought things maybe wouldn't change, but it seems they have. When I walked through here just a couple hours ago, the streets were packed with people. There was a lot of people out. And now it's like dead. In fact, in there's a mall. There's a mall in there. It's like an indoor shopping mall. But it's closed, so that sucks. But anyways, this will give you an idea of what's going on around this time. And maybe it'll be easier to see things because there's less people. Just make the most of it. Make the most of the situation. Improvise, adapt, YouTube. That's what they say. We'll actually go over there. We'll go over there. There's a really nice big hotel over there. And it looks like there's people dressed up that are going over to the bar district. That's maybe where the life of the party is. More so than where the theaters are and stuff like that. What road is this? Do we have a street sign here? Okay, so this is Avenida Zero. This is Avenida Zero. Here is the National Theater. We've done a video there before. Green light. We've done a video down there before. Guys, leave me a comment if you want. I'll send you any of the links for these videos. I'll find them on the channel. I know where to find my own stuff. I play with it all the time. What's this spot? Oh, McDonald's is still open. Okay, guys, so there you go. 9:15 p.m. on a Saturday. McDonald's is evidently the only thing that's open. That's nice, I guess. I don't know. That's nice. I walked around forever trying to find grilled chicken and I couldn't find any. So I ended up eating some greasy chicken and it's, oh man, it's, what a regretful experience. Let's go stand up here. This looks like a fun idea. Let's go stand right here. So you can see there's security guards here, I think. There's the National Theater. There's Scotiabank. And Smart Fit is right here. Look at their signs getting the reps in. Man. I just think I'm the funniest person ever. What's this spot? Is this like a hotel or something? It looks fairly hotel. No, maybe not. Maybe that's an apartment or something. Oh, okay, yeah. So that's where I walked through. There's a mall. There's a Perry supermarket there. It looks like it's still open. I was looking for grilled chicken, but they didn't have any. But it's kind of like a big supermarket. I'll maybe go by there after and get a... I need a coffee right now, actually. Oh, wait, it's 9 o'clock, dude. Should I drink a coffee? I don't know. Yes. Answer yes. Coffee, answer yes. So there's the National Theater. It's all done up nice at night. And then I think if we kind of turn to the right here, start heading that way, there's a big area too. There's like a little square with a church. I want to get a nice picture of the National Theater though. That's a nice one. Oh, look at that. Maybe I'll use that for the caption image, for the title image. Where are we going to go? Right there. Perfect. I like it. I like it. What hotel is this? Where are we? This is Quiznos Hotel. No, that's not right. Grand Hotel Costa Rica. That is correct. That's the Grand Hotel Costa Rica. And look at this. You've got an SUV out front. Only special people drive around in SUVs, get driven around in SUVs. Am I right? There's a nice big monument, a statue. Actually, what do you guys think? Do you think that's a better title image? Right there. We'll try it. We'll try it. Yeah, we're going to go walk down that way now. I'm pretty sure if I walk one block that way, it's more stuff. We'll go check it out. I don't know. I've been here a bunch of times, but, you know, how much attention am I paying as I walk around? Yeah, it's minimal. This is like the main road here in downtown. It's the thoroughfare. High speeds, man. People just rip down here. And I'm hoping with the headlights it's not jittery in this video. Yeah, maybe are we going over that? I don't know. We'll walk that way. We'll figure it out. We're going to figure it out together. I think maybe yes. I'm gonna cross here. I'm like comfort talking myself through this through this walk. Yeah, we'll go over that way. Just giving myself reassuring words. I don't know what that guy was yelling. So it's a curious thing. I mean, not just about Costa Rica, but just in general, like people honking and going bananas, and whew. Lots of people, like in San Jose, I notice a lot. People are very concerned with their time, is how I'd put it. A lot of honking, a lot of cutting off, a lot of stuff like that. Similar to, you know, Toronto, any big city. I think, you know, it's a matter of if you pack people too densely together, they start losing their marbles. The jam comes off the cracker, as it said. That's why I don't like living in cities. I like visiting. Okay, so this is cool. We're starting to see some stuff over here. I'm starting to see some signs of stuff to video. And what's this building here? It looks remarkable. It most certainly looks remarkable, this building. But what is it to remark about? I'm not quite certain. That is just a really nice building. So where are we now? This is a park. I'm pretty sure I know where we are. We're gonna go walk over there. Once there's a gap in traffic, I'm gonna run across. I'm gonna run across like a cat, and then hesitate and cause the driver to screech on the brakes. Ready? No, I won't do it. This guy's speeding up. I only have one life. That's the problem. Okay, yeah, there's that Mano store. So yeah, I've been in there. I've been in that store. It's like a department store. There's another McDonald's. Man, I feel like there's a McDonald's every 2 blocks. McDonald's in Costa Rica is like Tim Hortons in Canada. Oh, yeah. There we go. There you go. All right, let's go to this. What did I say we're going? We're going over here. I hear music over there, guys. There's people over there that are alive. I want to walk up here, man. I feel like this is where it's like a special thing. Maybe it's like an amphitheater. Is that the right word for it? A concert hall. There's windows. So this is a building. We're going on the roof of a building now. Okie dokie. Oh, dude, people are smoking up here. I like smoking cigars. That's what else we're looking for, guys. We're looking for coffee, and we're looking for cigars. All right, now I see where the music is. So on that corner, right there, it appears as though there is a party going on, a fiesta. I don't see anybody dancing. I don't know what's going on. There's some police right there. Can we zoom in? There's the police. Okay. There's a thing called La Fortuna, Food Central. It's La Fortuna there. What else is around here? It's a cool lookout, man. There's a statue of a guy cleaning. It's a statue to like sanitary workers, something like that, probably. Hard-working guys, man. I'm not even joking. I'm not even trying to make a joke. Those guys get out in the heat every day and they're cleaning up all the garbage that people leave around. Not me, though. I'm a sweetheart. I don't really want to go too close to that because it's loud. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed that walking, talking tour here in downtown San Jose. Thanks again, Danny, for the comment, for the request, the idea. Hotel Del Rey. Man, leave me a comment, or anybody, leave me a comment. I'm too young. I don't know what it is. You know, I was never there. What kind of hotel was it? Was there a lounge where you can read books and enjoy a caffeinated beverage, or was it another kind of hotel? Who knows? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.